In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Gatekeeper on your Mac. But before we dive in, I gotta say, doing this will lower your Mac's security defenses. So please only proceed if you really understand the risks and know exactly what you're doing. Gatekeeper lives inside your system's security settings. So first, let's open up System Settings. Head over to Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and look for the section that says Allow Applications From. If you already see an option that says Anywhere in that list, just select it and you're good to go. If not, keep following along. Now we need to open up the terminal. You can do this quickly by using Spotlight. Just hit Command Space, type in Terminal, and hit Return. Next, copy and paste the command line I've put on the screen, and then hit Return. At this point, it's going to ask for your Mac's password. Just a heads up, when you type your password, nothing is going to show up on the screen. No stars, no dots. That's a security feature so people can't guess how long your password is. Just type it in blind and hit Return. If you are running macOS Tahoe, you might get a notification asking you to confirm this in System Settings. So head back to that settings window. You should now see the Anywhere option right there. Go ahead and select that. It's going to ask for your password, so type that in and hit Modify Settings. Finally, just click Allow from Anywhere to confirm, and boom, Gatekeeper is officially disabled. If you ever want to re-enable it to stay safe, just come back here and select App Store or App Store and Known Developers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.